Hey guys, so I'm going to talk about two things in this video to help you guys understand. So first we're going to do some declension review. So I'm just going to kind of go over everything that we've learned about declensions, and hopefully that'll help this make more sense. So there are 5 declensions in Latin. They're called first, second, and so on. All declensions look like this. So this is singular, this is plural, and those are our numbers. So our numbers are these columns, and then our cases are on this side. The cases are nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, and ablative. So in each of these boxes, there's a different ending, and you can think of it like a battleship grid. So the nominative singular ending is here. The genitive plural ending is here. We're going to use first declension for an example. So the endings are I, with a macron, I, is, as, is. So our example for first declension is mensa. So let's say mensa was being used as a subject. So mensa means table. So if this was the subject of the sentence and it is singular, we would use mensa, because nominative is the subject case, so we need our nominative singular ending. One more example is tables used as a direct object. So you need plural accusative, because accusative is the direct object case, so it'd be mensas. That's why we need to learn so many endings for each word. So make sure you review all 5 declensions and learn those endings really good. And remember, for the cases, nominative is the subject case, genitive is the possessive case, dative is the indirect object case, accusative is the direct object case, and ablative is the in, by, with, from case. That doesn't all have to make sense yet, but you'll learn how to use each case as you learn more about Latin. The last thing to remember about declensions is each noun belongs to a declension. So mensa belongs to first declension. Mensa's dictionary form is mensa, mensae, feminine. All of this is very important because mensae tells us which declension it belongs to. The genitive singular ending always tells you what declension a noun belongs to, and that's why it's in the dictionary form. A lot of times this is shortened like this, but if the dictionary form, if the genitive singular ends in I, it belongs to first declension. If it ends in E, it belongs to second declension. If it belongs to is, it's third declension. Fourth declension is us, and fifth declension is ae. So those are very important to learn. And the other reason that the genitive singular is so important is because when you take the genitive singular word and drop the genitive singular ending, which is all of these depending on the declension, you find that word stem. So in this case, it's mens, and that's what you put before all of the endings. So I hope that was a good review for declensions. If you still have any questions, please let me know. And the other thing we're going to talk about